What's going on, everybody? This is Phil from Millennial Money Gains, and I want to welcome you back to a brand new video. If you are new to the channel, I would like to take this time to personally welcome you to it. On this channel, we go over everything stock investing, stock analysis, and personal finance. If that is something that interests you, please consider hitting that subscribe button down below. Also, turn your post notifications on so you get notified every time I do post a video. I post here every Monday and Wednesday at 9 a.m. Eastern, and sometimes I'll throw in an extra video on Fridays. In today's video, we are going to go over my top 3 stocks for this week and why I am picking those 3 stocks specifically, and we will also go over last week's picks. So, without further ado, let's hop right into last week's picks and see how they did and whether I'm still holding them or not. Let's do it. Alright, everybody, so these are my 3 stocks from last week. The first one is ticker symbol FIZZ. So, as you can see here, this one has not moved much. It moved a little bit in the downward direction, but I am currently still holding this guy. So, it's sitting on a nice line of support right now with its coming catalysts such as the stock split and the short interest. I am expecting this one to hit a price target of around $150. That will be my first price target of this one. I am still very bullish on the play, and some plays you just need to be a little more patient with. But FIZZ, I am still currently holding. Moving on to the next one, we have OEG, and this is Orbital Energy. Let's take a look at this one. So I am still holding this one as well. As you can see, I drawn out a bullish pennant, and it actually broke out of that bullish pennant today. I am expecting a movement upward. I could see to around $10.90 or so. I'm still currently holding 250 shares at this price point, and I am hoping to maybe get out of my position tomorrow or sometime this week at $10 or above. So we almost closed at almost $10 today. It hit over $10 at a high of $10.14, and it closed at $9.98. So very strong after hours, and I am expecting this one to break out tomorrow, and so that way I could take profits, but I am still holding this one as of now. And my last stock from last week was XL Fleet. So, I am currently not holding this one anymore, but I do still see potential in this one, and if I can get out of my other positions before this one takes off, then I will do that. But it was consolidating a little bit too much for me here, so it's still inside of my little bullish pennant there, so I am still liking this stock, and I do see upside potential in this stock. But as of now, I did cut my losses. I think I lost like $20 on it or something, nothing major. And I cut that out, and I am expecting this one to see some upside potential shortly. But as of right now, it is still consolidating, and I saw better positions elsewhere. So that is an update on my 3 stocks from last week. Next, we will hop into my 3 stocks for this week, and potentially I will be getting back into XL Fleet, but as of right now, I am not going to be doing that. I will let you guys know. If you guys want to follow my TikTok, I will post on there if and when I do get back into XL Fleet. So make sure you guys go follow that. Alright guys, so that was my top 3 stock picks from last week. And just real quick, as a quick plug, you guys always ask me what brokerage I use, and I just want to let you know that I do use Webull. If you sign up using the link in my description, you will receive 2 free stocks when you deposit $100. That is free money. I recommend everybody do this. Also, if you guys can just follow my TikTok, I'll leave a link to it down below in the description. If you haven't seen it there, I have called out stock SOS. The ticker symbol is SOS. I called that one out on Thursday when it was below $4 a share, and it rose up today. It is sitting above $12 per share, and I think it still has the ability to climb. So that was just Thursday, and you're already seeing 3x your money. So make sure you guys go follow me there, because I do call out stock picks there, and I do post there 5 times per week. So make sure you guys go follow me there. Now, let's hop right into my top 3 picks for this week. Let's do it. Alright everybody, so we're hopping into my top 3 stocks for this week, and the first one on my list is FUBO TV. So I do have a position on this one in my Robinhood portfolio with a price of around $44.10, I believe is my average cost. FUBO after hours is up almost 5% at $45.40. It had a red day until after hours, but I am very bullish on this one, not really because of the chart here, but because of the institutional investors that have been investing this one. So there's Goldman Sachs, I know there's Vanguard, and more institutional investors are getting in on this one every single day. And I am very bullish on this stock because of that. I like the company as a whole. I have done a stock analysis on FUBO. If you guys want to check that out, it is on my channel, and you guys can watch that there. But overall, I am very bullish on FUBO stock as a whole, and I will not sell. My price target on this one is around $60, but I can see it running even upwards of $90 in 6 months or so. Next, my second stock for this week is ticker symbol CBAT. Now let's take a look at this chart. Oh, we're back at FUBO there. Alright, CBAT. Alright, so as you guys see, I have drawn another bullish pennant. I love trading these types of stocks here. So let me draw this guy on the bottom here. I love trading this pattern because I have been so successful with this one. So as you can see here, it is another bullish flag, and I honestly have not taken a position in this one yet, but I am going to probably tomorrow or on the next dip, whenever that dip does occur, as long as it stays within my pattern. Hopefully I didn't miss out on this one, but this one showed up on my radar, and I do need to free up some funds to get into a position here, and I am very bullish on this one. I love trading this pattern, and I do think we can see a breakout up until about closer to $10 if we do see this breakout, and that is where I will be looking to take profits if I do get in on this one. I posted this one on my TikTok yesterday, and I am very bullish on this one as well. Hopefully I can get into a position if I see it free up some capital. And the last one that I just got into a position today is PLTR. So let's take a look at PLTR here. So it is sitting on a great line of support right now. Remember, over here, old resistance becomes new support. And it got beaten down like a dirty whore from its earnings. And I do think this one will bounce back, and I see a price target of around $50 on this one. I will probably start looking to take profits around $40 to $45, but I can see this one running up until $50. I think it is very undervalued, and I think the earnings call just got me a better buying opportunity. I was looking at this one on the radar, and then once it dropped from the earnings, I knew I had to buy in. So I'm very bullish on this one. I do expect to see this one increase in the future. And like I said, I'm setting a price target of $50 on this one. That won't be $50 for this week, but eventually I think it will hit $50 probably within the next 6 months or so. I do have high hopes for this one. And I'm hoping it will bounce off of the support here and then continue its rise upwards. Every reaction in the stock market is an overreaction. So I do think this is an overreaction to the earnings call. It was, let's see, it opened at $30.02 today, and it dropped all the way down to $27. I got in at $27.96. So almost at the bottom. I'm very bullish on this one. Bought a few shares on that. Alright guys, so that is going to wrap up my top 3 stocks for this week. Let me just move over to my positions here. I haven't done a stock analysis on this one, on this portfolio yet, but I do want to show you one of my positions here, and it is SOS. I called this one out on my TikTok on Thursday night when it was below $4 a share. I got in at $4.04, and then again at $5.44. I saw this one very bullish, and then I sold 150 shares at $11.68, and I'm letting 100 shares ride. I'm still very bullish on this stock. I have a return of 177% on this one. Very bullish on this one. And I have made some serious money. If you guys missed out on this one, make sure you guys follow me on my TikTok. I do let you guys know about great positions you can get into almost daily. I post there 5 times per week when the stock market is open. So make sure you guys are following my channel there, because I do post valuable information. But that is going to wrap up my top 3 stocks for this week. Alright everybody, so I hope you guys enjoyed the top 3 picks for this week and what I am loading up on. If you guys can, just make sure you smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. It really does help out the channel, and these videos take a lot of time and effort, so I really do appreciate you guys hitting that like button in return for them. If you guys can, just make sure you hit that subscribe button. That way you can watch every single one of my videos. I post here every Monday and Wednesday at 9 a.m. Eastern, and sometimes I will throw in a video on Fridays. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. I really do appreciate everyone watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Let's all make some money. Peace.